Alright, so I went to the gas station and the Chevy Malibu was broken down. I threw my computer on it, but I was pretty sure it was going to be the camshaft position sensor, which is right here. To get this sensor off, you just pull this clip all the way out and then you push right here and it just, you know, slides right out. A quick way you can test to see if it's the camshaft position sensor is to actually unplug this and start the vehicle. And I'll go ahead and have the gentleman here go ahead and start it, and you'll see what it sounds like. Now, the vehicle is going to go in limp mode. And it's running pretty rough. Alright, go ahead and turn it off. I don't have the old sensor. I took it to the store and made sure we got the right one, but that's what it looks like, and it just plugs right up in there. So one of the symptoms for this the sensor going bad is the vehicle will actually turn over but then die shortly after. Unfortunately, I really can't show you that because I've already removed that sensor. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just get this plugged in. It's a quick minute job, but yeah, just want to show you that. Anyway, take it easy.